This is Brother HL5250DN laser printer. It has full duplex and network connection. This is rather fast laser printer with up to 28 pages per minute. It is fairly fast printer and is perfectly suitable for some office conditions. It's rather bigger, but still not big. It has no option. There are just some simple icons: toner, drum paper, job cancel and go. There is a paper tray below the printer. There are the connections. You can use parallel port, standard USB 2.0 connection, or classical LAN port networking. At the bottom, the rear, you can have an access to the duplex unit. There's a second tray, paper loading tray at the front. You can get to the inside from the front. There is a separate drum unit and toner cartridge. The gray part is the drum unit with the drum over there. This just cleans the drum or the corona wire. This is the toner. It has at least two possible options for high yield and standard capacity cartridges. Toners do not have a chip, as most of the HP and other brands. The whole process of recognizing the fullness of the cartridge is done mechanically and via the mechanical lock.